Assalamu alaikum. Welcome again to the new recording of your mathematics subjects. Okay, students. So, in the last class, we had recorded or we had studied about the estimation and also the rounding off to the nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands. We had seen the rules, isn't it? And with one problem we took, this is 86289 as a problem, and we have rounded off to nearest tens, hundreds, and thousands, isn't it? So what are the rules to need to be followed? So and if you want to round off to its tens digits, okay, towards the tens place, so what you will do, you need to check the digit at ones place. Okay, if that is less than 5, then you'll replace the ones digit by 0. Okay, this ones digit by 0, and the other digits will remain same. Alright, if suppose the ones place digit is greater than or equal to 5, then what you will do, in tens digit you will increase it by 1. Okay, and replace the units digit by 0, and the rest all will remain same. Right, now if it is for hundreds place, and you need to check with the tens place. Okay, if we want to see the to round off to nearest tens, we look at the ones place. If we want to round off in the hundreds place, then you will look at observe the digit at tens place. The same rule, if it is less than 5, then you hundreds place will remain same. Okay, and put zeros in the tens place and units place. Okay, and then if suppose 5 is greater than the tens place is greater than 5, then you will add 1 in the hundreds place, and then in tens place and units place you will keep zeros, put zeros. Okay, so this is how you need to tens and this should be tens and units place. Okay, and the rest will remain other digit will remain same. Okay, let us take one more example. All right, students, so that you'll get clarified with the things what in the last class what we did. Okay, let me take this number 5366724. Okay, I want to first round off this number to its nearest 10 at the tens place. Okay, so if we want to round off at tens place, so you need to check the units place. So here in units place it is 4, so 4 is what, less than 5, isn't it? So if it is less than 5, what you will do, you will keep all the digits including your tens place digits same, and just units place digit you'll replace it with 0. So basically what, 24, you are just rounding off to the nearest number 20. Right, if you look at the 10 units tens place, you're rounding 24 to 20 because 24 is nearer to 20, not 30. Okay, let's go for hundreds place rounding off. All right, so here what you will do, so you want to round off at hundreds place, right? So check for your tens place now. So in tens place it is 2, so 2 is what, less than 5. So what you'll do, you will keep 7's digit as it is. Okay, so rest all the digits same, 5 3 6 7, and you need to place tens digit tens place and units place with 0. Okay, so what you are doing, you are placing 724. Okay, approximating 724 to its nearest tens, that is 700. You are not taking it approximating it to 800, because 800 is very far away from 724. 700 is very nearer to 724, so that's why your number after approximating it in hundreds place, you'll get 536,700. Okay, let us go for thousands place. Okay, now tell me, if you want to approximate at thousands place, what you will do? Then in the hundreds place you are checking the number, observing the number. This number is what? 7. 7 is what? It is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, what you will do? You need to add in thousands place 1. Okay, the number, the digit in the thousands place, you need to add it by 1. Okay, the rest digit will be same, just 6. This digit will at the thousands place it will be added by 1, that is 7. Okay, and the remaining digits, hundreds place, tens place and zeros place, you are replacing it with zeros. Alright, so what is this thousands place number? Is 6722, 6724. Okay, we are approximating it towards the nearest thousand place, that is 7000. We are not approximating it to 600, sorry, 6000, because 6000 is very far away. Okay, 6000 and it 6724, this is near to what? 7000, isn't it? So since 6000 is very far, you are not approximating it to this, so you'll take 53700. Okay students, this is how we are approximating our numbers and to the respective hundreds, thousands, and sorry, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, you can approximate in lakhs towards the lakhs as well. Okay, let me now go for the approximation of numbers, how you are doing it to your fundamental operations. Okay, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Alright students, so let's see one by one. First of all, let's see for the addition of these two numbers, 8612 and 5789. So they're asking you to add these two numbers. Alright, so if I go for addition, normal addition, it will take time. Now if I go for first approximation of this, rounding off this number, and then go for addition, see, so I will round off this number 8162, 8162 to 8000. Is it okay? Right, 8162 is near to 8000, isn't it? And I will approximate this number to 5789, it is near to 6000, isn't it? So now it has become easy for me to add these two numbers. So what is the 8 plus 6 is how much? 12, isn't it? Okay, so 12,000. Sorry, it's 14, not 12. Yeah, it is 14,000. Okay, so you have got 14,000. Easily I have calculated 8 plus 6, it is 14, and the rest will be zeros you'll keep. So now if you go for the normal addition, 8162, 5789, okay, adding all the numbers, 9, 10, 11, this is 8, 9, 10, 15, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what about 8 plus 5? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, right? So after adding of these two numbers like this, we have got 13,951, isn't it? This is very near to this 14,000. So what we have done, estimation or okay, example on subtraction, we have number 5723 to be subtracted to this is 2867. Okay, so but I want to round off to the nearest values first for these numbers. Okay, so what would be the nearest value for 5723? Is it 6000 or 5000? Tell me students. Obviously it is 6000, isn't it? Because this 5723 is nearest to 6000. Alright, so I'll take this as 6000 minus this 2867 is nearest to 3000, isn't it? Okay, so it's very easy for me to subtract now. So this will give you how much? 3000, right? Now this is very easy because we are rounding off to the nearest values and we got the answer for this like this. So this is nearly, okay, this is approximation, this equation approximation is 3000. Let us calculate exactly how much you'll get the value. Okay, it takes a lot of time. See, so this is 13, and then what's this? This will become 1. So 13 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6, right? Yeah. And here it is 11, you will get 6, 16, and here it is 4. Alright. This is 5. 11 minus 6 is how much? 5. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 4 minus 2 is 2. See, 2856. It is, when you go for approximation, it gives you 3000, isn't it? So the nearest value for 2856 is 3000, right? So for your practical purpose, if you go for approximations, it will become easy for you. Okay, let's take one example for multiplication. Okay, so I want 58 multiplied by 67. What is the nearest value? Okay, so 58 nearest is what? 60, isn't it? 50 or 60? See, 58 is near to 60, not 50. Okay, 67 is nearest to 70, isn't it? So what is the 6 sevens? 42, right? So this is 42, 4200, isn't it? If you go for the actual calculation of this, 58 multiplied by 67, 7 sevens 14, 7 sevens 49, 7 eights 56, 7 fives 35 plus 5 is how much? 40. Okay, so 8 fives 40, 48, 8 sixes 48, and 5 fives 25, 6 fives 30, right? 34. Okay, this is 8 6 8 and 3. See, so you've got 3886. Okay, it is nearest to this value. See, you can approximate this as well. So this one you can write it as it is approximated to 4000, isn't it? This is near to 4200. It is nearby to 4000, isn't it? So if you approximate this to 4000 and you just compare these two values, here this is almost near to 4000, isn't it? Okay, this is how you do your rounding of problems by using different operations, fundamental operations. Okay, let us do for division one example. Let us take one example for division. We have 976 divided by 18. Okay, so this 976 is approximate. I'll round off this to 976 is near to what? 1000, isn't it? And this is divided by 18. I can take to 20. Nearest to tens is 20, isn't it? So now see, it has become very easy for me to divide this number. So this is 2 ones 2, 2 5s 10, 50. Okay, so this is approximately 50. Now do the actual calculation. Okay, so 976 is divided by 18. Okay, so 18 into 5, 90. Yeah, 18 5s is 90. So you have 7 here, reminder, and take 6 down. So 18, how much you will get nearest value? 18 4 72. Okay, so your reminder is 4. Okay, so when you divide 18 with 8 is 976 with 18, you have reminder 4, and the quotient, okay, it is 54. This is almost near to 50, isn't it? It is very close. Okay, we have estimated very closely, isn't it? So this is how you go for rounding off the values. Okay, and you can save your time by approximations. Okay, that is estimation, and it becomes very easy for all the calculation, basic operations. Okay, now I would like to just go through throw light on one thing today, one more thing, and then later we can stop. Okay, I hope you have heard about Ramanujan's number, isn't it? So 1729. It's a Ramanujan number, right? You know who is Ramanujan? He is a great mathematician, okay, of India, who was expert in the numbers. All right, so he was an genius in number theory, and it every year we celebrate National Mathematical Day on his birthday. Okay, from 2012, your Manmohan Singh was our prime minister in 2012, right? He declared his birthday, that is 22nd December, as the National Mathematics Day to honor him. Okay, he was a great mathematician. All right, so yeah, why? What is this story behind this 1729 number? Do you know this? You know what? Once a great mathematician from um, Hardy, he was the British mathematician. He was there at the time of Ramanujan. Okay, so they were like once Ramanujan was in the hospital. Okay, Mr. Hardy, he went to meet him in the hospital, and he came in the taxi number 1729. Okay, to meet Mr. Ramanujan. So when Hardy, when they were having discussion, he told that I came through the taxi with the number plate number as 1729. It's just merely a number, something like that. So Ramanujan at that time he told it's not merely a simple number. This number is the what do you say, addition of two cube numbers. He said this answer to Mr. Hardy immediately. So those two number cube is 10 and 9. Okay, the cubes of 10 and the cube of 9, summing these two, he told it you'll get 1729 immediately. See how sharp he was. He just had a discussion with Hardy when he came and meet him in the hospital. Okay, so he immediately told us by just listening this number that it's a special number, because two cubes of sum of the cubes of two numbers will give you this much. So see, 10 cube is how much? It is 1 2 3. Okay, that you'll get 1000. 10 cube is 1000 plus 9 cube is 9 nines 81. Okay, 9 ones 8, 9, sorry, 9 ones 9, 9 eights is how much? 72, isn't it? So this is 729. When you add these two, you'll get 1729. Okay, and also one more, it's the cube of one more number, two numbers is 12 cube and 1 cube. 12 cube is 1728. If you just multiply 12 into 12 into 12, you'll get 1728 plus 1. If you do to this, 1 cube is 1 only, isn't it? So it is 1729. Okay, so this is a story behind your Ramanujan's number. I just want to give you information about it. It's really wonderful, isn't it? How sharp he was, and he is the genius Indian mathematician. Okay, okay, students, let's stop by this for today. Until we meet in the Zoom meeting or in the next video, I would like to take off from you all. Just take care and read well, uh, concentrate well on studies. Let's meet soon. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.